Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got a 250-gallon skid package for y'all today. This is going on man Mike. Now, he requested a left-hand firebox on this rig, so typically we do the firebox on the right-hand side, but for where he's putting it, this worked out better for his application, so we hooked him up with it. Said, yes, sir, no problem. Threw my guys for a loop the whole time building it. It's kind of weird looking at it backwards, but hey, still the same great 250 like we always build. On the skid package, guys, this rig starts at $74.99. And what that gets you is not one, but two sliding top racks. You got 3 bottom grates down here. They are removable. 1.5-inch ball valve grease train down there. Fold down stack, that is included, as well as the fully insulated firebox we got on this side. 24-inch pipe on the inside, right with insulation. We insulate the door as well as the front of the firebox, so holds heat great, makes the smoker very easy to run. Cook some really good barbecue on it. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.